Okay, so welcome to this video. So in this video, we'll be learning how to make some text effect on PIXELLAB. So now I'll be setting my background color to be blue. Yeah, more like sky blue. Now the text effects is just a way of editing text to make it stylish. Now, let's say we want a happy Friday. So let's first add effect to the Friday. So now increase the text size. Now for you to make a very good text effect, make sure you have a stylish font. So now the font I'll be using is with Smile. You can just search for it. With Smile. Okay, so this is the font I'll be using. Now let's go over to, let's add stroke. Increase the stroke size. Now make the stroke blue and add shadow. Increase the blur radius of the shadow. Now still on the shadow, now let me make the shadow black. Increase the outglow. Next we go to offset. Offset Y, let's bring it down a bit. Now I'll be reducing this blur. So now I'll be adding spacing. Spacing of 5 is okay. Okay, I'll go with 6. So now we're done with this part. Now I'll be increasing the text size. Now let's add the happy. Now this happy, I'll be giving it a font. Something stylish also. Still give this a stroke also. Good, it's okay this way. So now to beautify this more, I'll be importing the splash effect. This one right here. So I'll just crop this. This one right here is okay for me. Now send this to the back. Give it a color of white. Now let's copy this and bring this down a bit. Now at this point, reduce the opacity to 30 and also copy. Take this up. So just pin this down. So now this is the text effect we applied on PIXELLAB. So now you can still go further to beautify this by adding quotes. So now there are quotes on PIXELLAB. By clicking on these quotes here, you find out that we have numerous, and they are in categories. You have English or French, and also if you want a positivity quote, motivational, success. Now let me click on this one here. This is what you have. So now let's say I want this to appear there, so I'll just reduce the text size and give it a color of black. So now we'll be placing it over here. Make sure it's in the center. Now making this bold. Now change the font. Now just change the font of this, so this is all we have. So this is a simple of making a text effect on PIXELLAB. Now you can see what we just made. We just made a text effect on PIXELLAB. Now if you remember the process we went through to make the Friday, the text effect is on the Friday. So now that's all for now. Thanks for watching.